make sure you hit like on this video. We're trying to convince Eric, but he does not believe us. And by hitting like, you will help us show him that he needs to stop in 2020 wearing Affliction jeans. He's been wearing them for way too long at this point. If you care about us, please hit that like button. Make sure that Eric stops wearing those Affliction jeans, and hit the subscribe button while you're at it. Make sure you click the bell icon so you know when we upload more videos. Once enough of you hit like, he'll stop wearing them finally. Please help us out. All right, guys, you asked for some videos. We're giving them to you. Yeah, we switched. We were over in the lovely sofas. Now I'm sitting in the U-shaped dinette. Just trying to change the videos up as much as possible so they don't look all the same when you go to look back through the videos for stuff. Guys, I appreciate so much the comments on our Instagram account. Merry Christmas, same as the last video. Happy New Year's if you're watching this, 2021. So, question was, why haven't you guys done it, or could you do a video on greasing your wheel bearings on your trailer? So we did a video explaining why I don't like the Zerk fittings, and let me go into that a little bit further. We're not going to be that kind of channel, and somebody did ask for slide topper install videos. So there's a lot of channels out there for stuff like that. Be very cautious when you're choosing them. I've seen some really bad ones. But when it comes down to it, something like a slide topper, something like greasing the wheel bearings, we're more of a video channel that's going to tell you the things that need to be done. And then we're going to tell you, hey, look, a lot of stuff like that, especially slide toppers, dude, pay the professionals for that. Unless you've installed slide toppers as a career, I'm telling you that there's a lot of things you can do yourself. That's something. Awnings are one things that I recommend, whether it's slide awnings or regular awnings, having the professionals do. So just go straight to them. Now, the trailer wheel bearings, the reason I don't like the grease fittings, the Zerk fittings, to recap the other videos, if you overpressurize that chamber, basically where that sealant sits, where the grease sits in the bearing and stuff, there's a rear grease seal. If you overpressurize it, it blows out that rear grease seal. Unlike both trailers, it doesn't have weep holes in it to allow it out the backside of that fitting. And if we blow it out, it gets right onto the brake drums and the brake pads, and that's a very, very bad situation, because the last thing you want grease on is your brake drums and your brake pads. You can understand why. All right. Unless it's Eric's camper. That might be no, not even Eric, okay? I like him more than that. So we don't want you doing it that way. And the reason I'm not going to get a video on how to disassemble the wheel and the hub and get in there and manually repack the bearings is we're going to tell you, if you need educated on how to do that manually, don't do it yourself. Your first learning experience shouldn't be on a 6, 7, 8, 10,000 pound trailer behind your truck as you're towing it down the highway and figure out that you did it wrong, okay? If you've done it on cars before, it's a similar process to that. If you haven't, that's something, just pay the dude to do it at this point. You've made it through this far in your life, paying somebody to do it, just pay somebody to do this as well. So that's my quick answer on the wheel bearings, and why we're not going to do a slide topper video on how to install it. Maybe we'll do some videos on what our opinion are on slide toppers. Long story short, I like them. They are not the end-all, fix-all, be-all solution to everything, but they're definitely a big leap over not having anything. But we'll get into that on another video. Pre-flight checklist. What else can I go over on this? That's it. That's going to be a quick video on this one. I apologize that we're not going to do a video on that. I hope you can appreciate that we did take the time to make this video. Instead of just telling you no, I wanted to give you some reasons why. Guys, if you have other video ideas, comment down below, put them in there. I'm going to pound out a couple of more videos here real quick. Once I get a few of these out, I'm going to get back in on the YouTube channel and go through your comments, responding to them. Again, I am now responding under the Keystone RV account. Yeah, they let me on there. That was their mistake. But I'm commenting directly back, but I'm trying to write JR. Right now, I'm the only person commenting on it. So if you got one here, you know, in December 2020, it was me. But I'm going to try putting Junior underneath each one of them. So please let us know what else you guys got. Follow us on Instagram. A lot of these video ideas came from that Instagram. The last video was actually from a private message on Instagram that me and him had been talking, it feels like, for like 5 years at this point. I mean, I've known him, I think, almost as long as my wife. It's weird. No, he's awesome. He messages us all the time. I try to get back to him as quickly as possible. A lot of you that message me on Instagram will know that I'll respond back to you, and sometimes the answer is, hey, call me at our phone number here. And the reason why I comment back is not because I don't want to type back to you. It's just that it's too long to type, or I might need to ask more in-depth questions. So I've had to message some people like 3 times, like, hey, feel free to call me. I'll answer your question. And those of you that watch the video that call and talk to me on a regular basis, dude, keep on calling me. I absolutely love talking to all of you, especially my buddy from down south who mailed me grits. By the way, my wife says thank you. She greatly appreciates that. I do make my shrimp and grits. Up here in the Pennsylvania area, it's difficult to get good grits, so he drops them in the mail for me every now and then, which is awesome. I've had a few customers even bring me them, which I greatly appreciate. But yeah, guys, let us know what other questions you got, and we'll try to get videos out for them. Have a great day. And Merry Christmas.